Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I hope everybody must have watched the current series which was going on and has just broadcasted their finale, which is the TVF Aspirants. The viral fever is going to be like the best content creator ever, at least in India. And I think the series, I'm not here to review the series because everybody is viewing that and everybody is giving the phenomenal reviews and calling the series a very very stupendous fantabulous series. And I'm not here to call it that because I personally believe it believe it to be much more than that. When I ask people to watch that series, they tell me that we are not aspirants, why should we watch it, right? We won't be connecting towards it. But they are wrong. You, if you are in this life on earth, no, you are going to connect with that series because that series does not only give you uh, it give you the crux of the life. Every character in the series is some character with whom you will relate in some or the other way. And the best part of the series, which I liked since the first episode of the series, is that even the people who have not been able to become the IAS officers are not able to realize their dream of being an IAS are doing very greatly in their lives, which shows that life never ends even if you have not achieved your aims or something else. So, for example, the one has become an IAS officer, second is a teacher, third is a successful businessman, and the second one, who is a teacher, is guiding his students very meticulously and is very renowned in his own field. And the one is running an NGO and helping millions of people to change their lives. This is so great. Let's come to Abhilash. Abhilash was a timid guy. He was negative in his approach, but later on he becomes positive and positive and positive, and finally it was there in his destiny to become an IAS, and he becomes because the government itself announces two more attempts. And he was very devastated by losing his last attempt. But yes, it was shown from time to time that Abhilash also used to make certain mistakes in his life by being stubborn, and he could achieve his dreams only by being flexible towards life. It is shown that he could achieve his lastly also in the last episode he is able to achieve a genuine happiness, a genuine smile, only when he was able to become flexible towards the life and give up on his stubbornness. And then secondly was the Guri's character, who was take a chill pill kind of character, who has been a serious person and was little bit he used to care about his friends. And there was a scene in which he didn't want to tell anybody that about his disability because he didn't want anybody to feel pity on him. It's a very good thing. You should not be vulnerable to he was not wanting to have a sympathy towards him. SK's character, he wanted to achieve greatly in his life. He has achieved greatly in his life by becoming a teacher, if not by becoming an IAS officer and guiding millions of students on an academy, as it is shown in that part. And it is also being shown that he has done a great job. He has done a great job, even if as he has not cracked it. He is not now no more preparing for PCS, and he has changed his career and pursuing his own thing. He loves his friends and he becomes happy in his friends happiness. And even people, when people call him failure, he doesn't give a damn about it, and he is pursuing his career with utmost dedication and helping his students and failing nowhere in guiding his students. Then comes the most preferred and favorite character of every one, which is Sandeep Bhaiya, who was a mentor of the collector Sahab in the series. He was not only the mentor when he was failing continuously, then also he was learning something from his life and having a great sense of maturity within him. Um and he, after success also, he has learned something and gave you some philosophies of life which you should apply, which everybody of us should be applying to our life, that everything is a part of your life, not your life. So keep, please have your aims, try to achieve it, but don't chase it insanely. This is what is being taught. Of course there should be a passion towards your dream, but it should not be such that you leave everything and everyone and think that nobody else around you is a human being also. Please be a little uncallous in that way. Then comes Dharya's character, who was a very sophisticated kind of woman, and she wants to achieve her dreams. Her dream was to help the society in for a better cause, and she has already, before the attempt itself, she has told that she will be helping the society. Either she becomes that or not. If she becomes that, well and good, she'll help via her position. But if she doesn't become that also, she will help the society via something else. So via some other means. So this is very good. And she not only guides she guides everybody around her. She is not only a guiding light for Abhilash, but she guides everybody around her, and she has such a compassionate kind of personality, which is kind of shown. I have already I The crux of various matters have been shown here, like crux of the life has been shown in this TVF series, and it's very deep. Every dialogue is very deep, and this series reaches to the depth of your heart. Whether you are an aspirant or not, it's going to stay inside you for a long time, and it should stay inside you, because some philosophies should be with you in order to lead a life. Otherwise, we look a life as a black or white thing, not as a gray thing, because all the things you cannot get. Even if you get all the things, you may not be happy, who says so. But actually, the main crux of life is to be satisfied, to gain a long lasting happiness. If you want to be satisfied after gaining the happiness, after achieving the happiness, you can be happy for some, you can be satisfied for some time, but then both of them will fade away eventually. Thank you. And yes, if you have not watched that series, please go and watch that series, and yes, do subscribe to my channel. Okay. And yes, I am waiting for the second part of this series. Hope it comes. Let's pray, and let's ask TVF to bring one more, because there are certain questions which still remains in the minds of all of us. And yes, hope it comes. If it doesn't come also, thank you TVF for giving us such a wonderful series, and keep on making such good content for us, which is so pure and which is so philosophical, which is so not only philosophical, but which is so pronounced also. Thank you.